Hey guys, welcome back on BSST lecture classes. So, in this video, I will give you the brief information about TCS digital reassessment. So, you must have heard about digital assessment, but you can see the title of video is TCS digital reassessment. So, how it became reassessment. So, exactly what happened on 27th and 28th Jan, TCS employees had their digital assessment, but in that assessment most of the employees faced the compilation issue in the coding section. So the issue was mostly related to java programming. So after that TCS decided to take the reassessment for all those employees who faced the compilation issue. So after that employees were getting that survey mail for the confirmation of reassessment. Okay, not for confirmation, for the registration of reassessment. Okay, now TCS is sending confirmation mail. Okay, so the employees, those employees who has registered for the reassessment will get their confirmation mail in 1 to 2 days. Okay, in 1 2 days they will definitely get their confirmation mail. And in that mail TCS also had shared the exam date. So the exam date is 20th feb, that is shared by TCS. And the timing of exam is 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So you will get 1 hour duration for your coding section. Actually TCS is taking reassessment only for the coding section, not for other sections. Okay, for other section they will consider the previous assessment marks only. And now they are going to take the reassessment only for the coding section. Okay, so for the duration of exam will be 1 hour now. And in this mail they have shared only the confirmation for reassessment registration, second for exam date and the timing. But there is no information about the location or the exam center. So that information you will get in the hall ticket, and the hall ticket will be released on 15th feb. Okay, and one most important point they have mentioned in the mail is this: uh, employees, those employees who are going to take part in the reassessment, for those employees the reassessment score will be considered as a final marks for the coding section. Okay, they will not consider the best from the previous assessment and the reassessment. Okay, only the final reassessment marks will be considered as a coding section marks. Okay, so this is how they have mentioned all these things. And on 15th feb you will get your hall ticket, and in that they will share the location and the exam center. So that's all guys, all the best for your reassessment.